What is up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. May the 4th be with you. It's your girl Victoria Blends, and today I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow look for Star Wars Day. Yes, I'm finally going to use my Mandalorian palette. This one right here. It's super cute, and I'm so excited to do this eyeshadow look today. So let's take a look at what the colors are going to be. And I'm pretty sure that I'm going to use every single color for this look. So we have Precious Cargo right here. And we also have Right Hand Mando, Just Like a Tatooine, Sipping Soup, Babyface, The Force, Little Frog, Float Your Crib, and Droid Protocol. Oh my gosh, these are cool. There's a little froggy right there. And yeah, I'm just gonna get started. If you're interested in how I get my little look that I'm gonna be doing for May 4th with this Colourpop Mandalorian green eyeshadow palette, just continue watching. Okay, so first things first, I'm just gonna get my little kit real quick because everything that I need for this eyeshadow look is in here. So the first thing that I want to do is prime my eyelids, and I'm going to be using this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. So the first color that I'm going to pick up is Just Like a Tatooine. And I'm pretty much going to use this as a transition shade. Okay, go over to the other eye and do the same thing. I'm gonna put my little finger into Precious Cargo and add it to the area between my inner corner and my nose bridge, because that's where the highlight is going to be, because I'm going to be doing a halo eye with this. Okay, I'm going to pick up Babyface with this MAC 217S brush. It's just a flat, fluffy. Okay, Babyface is gonna go like right there, and then I can feel my eyeball, and then I'm gonna lightly tap and disperse it, and then lightly tap on this side and disperse it. Okay, and for the other eye, I'm gonna pick up more of Just Like a Tatooine and go on top. Mostly on the sides of it. And kind of just jiggle that into my crease. So now I'm gonna go back with my MAC brush and pick up Little Frog, and just a little bit. And then I'm going to go on the side of Babyface and turn my brush over with Babyface and Little Frog. And then I'm going to do that on the other side. So I'm going to go over with Float Your Crib, and I'm still going to use the MAC brush. I'm actually going to use the tip of it now, because one side is Babyface and the other side is Little Frog, and on the tip of it is Float Your Crib. And so I'm going to go like that and just kind of shape my halo eye now. Okay, same thing for the other side. And remember, whatever side you put Little Frog on, make sure that's the side that you're patting, because the other side has Babyface, and so you don't want to pat the lighter one. You want to keep it with these two. So I'm gonna go back with Just Like a Tattooing. Blend that. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with Droid Protocol. Okay, so now to the glitter, and I have Urban Decay spray. So the best way to use a glitter eyeshadow is if you were to spray your brush, a wet brush like this. Just spray it. And then you dip your wet brush into the pigment. And let's use Sipping Soup. It just makes the eyeshadow wet. And then you can put it on your eyes. So I'm going to take the lightest one, which is Right Hand Mando, and put it in the middle. Pick up some more spray on the brush. And then I'm going to go in Precious Cargo and make it right in the middle. So that way it's just a beam of light over the green. You want your finger. If you want, you can put a little up here, just in your eyebrow arch. See, the Urban Decay spray really gets it on there. So let's do the other side. So I thought I wanted to use the Force, which we are. We'll just use it on the bottom. Okay. So far, we have every single color on the lid except for the Force. So right now, we are just going to blend more of this. And then we are gonna take the dark brown Droid Protocol and start. We got to sweep everything under the eye. Oh wait. Oh. What the? Look at my eye. What the? Just freaking happened. I'm so mad. Oh my god. Alright, so we're just gonna lighten up under the eyes and we're gonna put some powder because we are gonna do underneath. Okay, so onto the bottom eyeliner now. We're gonna take this flat Morphe brush and we're gonna go into Just Like a Tattooing and go all under the bottom. Okay, and then we're going to go with Little Frog and go halfway over here, halfway over here. And then I'm gonna take Float Your Crib and go halfway, halfway. like blend it with my finger. And then taking this flat mini dome brush, I'm gonna go in with Droid Protocol. So with a wet brush, I'm gonna go into the force, and then I'm just gonna go underneath. Okay, and then taking this Kim Chi Beauty Diamond Shards, I'm going to add a little to my bottom. With the Stila liner, I'm gonna tight line my lashes. Alright, with the dark bronze Trek liner, like that, I'm going to take this Sigma eyeliner brush and take a chunk and then put it on the lid. It's actually Kylie's dark bronze eyeliner, I think from her birthday 1 year. Okay, so I'm going to then Alright, so I'm just going to finish off with some black liner. I'm going to use Too Faced Easy Glide Waterproof. Yeah. I literally just lined my lashes, so I'm going to do it to this side now. Okay, so I'm going to pop on my lashes, and these are the ones that I'll be using. Alright, you guys, this is the finished look. I literally love doing halo eyes so much. It's my favorite, using all the colors in the eyeshadow palette to do a halo eye. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe and press the bell so you'll be notified on the next time I upload another makeup video or any other videos in the future. Alright guys, thanks so much. Bye.